Kadyan of India coming out. He will be represented in the red. He has the orange singlet, the blue from Kyrgyzstan's Joldошбеков. Not a lot of information on Kadyan. He has really wrestled well today. Won a couple of matches. Earned this bronze medal bout against the Kyrgyz. 26 years of age. It's always interesting. We had some time in between sessions. I went back into the warm-up area. It's completely set aside from this main arena, and just to see the different approaches with these athletes, a couple of hours away from the first match, then it gets down to 60 minutes. Their activity starts to crank up a couple of notches. Many of them were taking a nap, just laying comfortably with their coaches and support staff. Good hour and a half, 2 hours before showtime, and once you hit about that 45, 30-minute window, it just became a whirlwind of sparring and activity inside the tight quarters here in the warm-up area. No score yet here, just underway on our finale. It's been quite a week here in Ulaanbaatar. I've enjoyed every second of it. Tremendous wrestling here on the Asian continent, once again providing some entertainment at high levels, starting with the Greco-Roman earlier in the week, then diving into the women's freestyle, and now with the men. Here's a first real true strike coming from Kyrgyzstan, and Joldошбеков finishes it off. Gets the takedown, wastes no time, tries to hook up the gut wrench, wanted to go right, now reverses direction. Tried to come back left, unable to get any turn underneath, so he'll settle for the takedown and a 2-0 lead. Joldошбеков was the Asian champion 2 years ago. He won the title in New Delhi in India. 2019 World U23 champ as well. Now an outside single, and Kadyan just missed. Joldошбеков was able to squirt his leg out of there in the nick of time. Straight on double attempt is stuffed. Starting to see a few more shots as we get inside a minute in this opening period. Kadyan certainly becoming way more active after giving up that takedown a few moments ago. India did not quite have the round. There's on a 2-0 lead. The takedown from Joldошбеков, the only 15 with a bronze. And again, they started the day with only a 5-point edge. So certainly Iran really controlling their own destiny here tonight as we move deeper into the Sunday night competition. Starts here, though, for India. They need to get a bronze medal win out of Kadyan. Down 2-0. Good job here by Joldошбеков, squeezing tightly. He'll try to slowly maneuver his way off to one of the two sides. Kadyan trying to hang on to the near side leg to prevent that from happening. See the hand fighting taking place with Joldошбеков trying to clear out his leg. If he gets that left leg free, he has a chance maybe to hit a go behind. He's able to get it free, but he went the opposite direction. Good defense by Kadyan. Kadyan keeping the foot on the gas now. Really bringing the fight to Joldошбеков. Just hasn't quite been able to finish him out for a takedown, but he is generating enough heat to warrant the activity clock. So a little bit of a positive start, but boy, that did not last long. Joldошбеков timed the whistle beautifully. He came in on a deep, deep shot. This is going to be a tough position for Kadyan. You know, we haven't seen a lot of points. Both these wrestlers have went after one another. Kadyan tugs at the neck. 2 years ago. Looking for his 4th Continental medal. But Kadian backing out. Going to have to try to hold his ground. Now a shot by Joldошбеков. Doesn't have a lot of time, and they say 2 right before the end. Referee said 2. Judge did not confirm it. Looked like the match chairman came up with 2. And that is going to be it. 6-4 as Joldошбеков waited the full 6 minutes to get the takedown and the win. Boy, what a battle. What a great way to kick off.